In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to Bigquery in just 5 minutes. This is a straightforward process that can help you efficiently manage and analyze your data. Connecting these platforms will allow you to utilize the power of Bigquery to query your Google Analytics data more efficiently and effectively. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Analytics webpage. This is the official analytics suite provided by Google, which offers you a wide range of tools to track and report on your website traffic. Once you're on the Google Analytics page, you'll see an option to sign into Analytics. Go ahead and click on this link. You'll need to enter your credentials to access your account, so make sure you have those details handy. After signing in, you will be directed to the Google Analytics home. This dashboard gives you a comprehensive overview of your website's performance metrics and analytics data. From here, you'll need to move to the settings section, which is where you can configure various aspects of your analytics setup. Look for a gear icon or the word admin that typically appears at the bottom left corner of the screen and give it a click. Once you're in the settings area, look for the option that says product links. Clicking on this will bring up a list of various products and services you can link with Google Analytics. Among these, Bigquery should be an option. Bigquery is Google's serverless, highly scalable, and cost-effective multi-cloud data warehouse, and it's an excellent choice for analyzing large sets of data. Next, click on the option that says Bigquery Links. This is where you can integrate your analytics data with Bigquery, allowing you to run more complex queries and analyses than what's possible with Google Analytics alone. Creating this link will enable data transfer between both services. To establish the connection, you'll need to click on the button that says Create a Link with Bigquery. This will initiate the setup process. You might be prompted to select a specific Google Analytics property that you wish to link with Bigquery, so ensure you have the right property in mind before proceeding. Finish the setup by following any on-screen instructions provided. And there you go, you've now successfully connected Google Analytics to Bigquery. With this integration, you're equipped to leverage the combined power of these tools to gain deeper insights into your data. Don't forget to periodically check your connections and data flows to ensure everything is running smoothly. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative guides like this one. See you next time.